We're at PASH 2016 and we're very fortunate to have two teachers with us, Max and Brad, who have brought students along. Start with you, Max. Why did you feel it was important to bring students?
Well, this year I'm the Year 11 year advisor, and I think sexual health is obviously very topical for them at that age, and things they've kind of moved past some of the mechanics of sex and so forth, and safe sex that they work on in their junior years of PE, and need to think a bit more about what constitutes a healthy sexual relationship or sex life. So I feel this is a really good topic for them to be part of.
And you, Brad?
Our school saw it as a great opportunity to incorporate this as part of our Crossroads program that we run at the school. And we found that it hit most of the main concepts that we have to cover in that course regarding sexual health, sexual behaviours, and how to partake in safe sexual practices. So it was a really great opportunity for us to partake in today.
Well, you care a lot about your students, because I understand the amount of organisation it takes to get students to, extracurricular activities with all the notes in the organisation. So we really appreciate the effort that teachers put into PASH. Did you learn anything as an adult today, whether it be in the hot topics or anywhere else?
I found the hot topics pretty good. We talked to, I can't remember the presenter's name, from the legal firm in town, and she just gave us a scenario to look over, and that was quite interesting and topical too, for the school kids we teach. Pretty, sort of standard scenario that could possibly happen. So that was a good thing to think about. That was probably my favourite thing from the hot topics.
And you, Brad, did you learn anything?
Oh, I learnt heaps, but the main thing that I've taken away from today is the wealth of resources that we have available to us as a community, and more so as school teachers, that we can now tap into, and those connections have been made and they are real, and we can now take them back to our individual schools and work in a positive direction forward with them.
Fantastic, and we all understand that teachers have a very big workload as it is, and so that's great that you're wanting to look at how you can further support students. But we have had discussion both at the community forum last night and this morning in a teachers' session how sexual health for young people is a community issue. What other ways do you feel we can support young people, whether it's supporting parents or the broader community?
As I was sort of hinting at before when we had the teacher discussion, I really think some way of engaging parents just to make sure they're having those conversations with their children, about what is a holistic approach to a healthy sex life. I think that's really important. I don't know the answer to that, but I think that's an issue that probably needs to have a bit more attention paid to it.
And these seem to be general life skills, not just related to sexual health, around boundaries, choices, feeling what's right, communicating. Do you see this as a bigger issue to support parents with around their relationships with their kids?
Yeah, I do. I think it takes that intersectorial approach from the school, the government, the health sector, and also home to bring all parties together with the same level of information and develop everyone's personal skills at the same rate, so that we can have a better long-term effect on sexual health for our young community.
Thank you so much, Max and Brad. Fantastic to have you with us.
No worries, thank you.